Hello everyone, today we are going to study about the topic FSMO roles in Active Directory. So FSMO roles are very crucial in maintaining Active Directory environment. We can say it's a backbone of Active Directory. So there are 5 FSMO roles we are going to study. So these are the topics we are going to study in this video. What is Active Directory, FSMO roles, and command to verify FSMO roles. So Active Directory, this is a Microsoft product and it stores information about object like computers, users, printers in a network. It also authenticate and authorize users and computers in a network. So the server who controls the Active Directory, we can say it is called domain controller or DC. So next we are going to study about how Active Directory works. Suppose a user want to access a resource of Exchange server, say email services. So user send a request to Exchange server and Exchange server send a request to Active Directory and the Active Directory confirm that this user is in our domain and it's a send a confirmation request to Exchange server and Exchange server allow to user to access the resources. This is how Active Directory works. We can see in picture of Active Directory contain printers, computers, and users. So these are the 5 FSMO roles in Active Directory. So first 2 roles are per forest and last 3 roles are per domain. So schema master, domaining master, and RID master, PTC emulator, and infrastructure master. So schema master is a per forest role. So it defines the attributes like employee ID, phone number, email address that you can apply to an object in your Active Directory database. So when we are creating user, we can say so many options like phone number, email address, etc. Many options we can see. Suppose if you want to update like user's location, we can do that. It's a role of schema master. So next role is domain naming master. So it is responsible for adding and removing of domain within the forest. We can't have say domain name within the forest. So we can see there is in our forest there is 2 domain controllers. So we can't have same domain. So it's a responsibility of domain name master. It's also an per forest. So next one is RID master. When a user joins the domain, he gets an RID value for user 1, user 2, etc. It is also responsible for moving object from one domain to another. So next one is PDC emulator. It's a primary domain control emulator. It is also responsible for authenticating, request changing passwords, time synchronization, and managing group policy object. Suppose the user want to change his password, the user send a request to domain controller and domain controller send a request to PDC emulator. So by PDC emulator, user can change this password. So next one is infrastructure master. It updates group membership, updating object SID and distinguish name in cross domain object. Suppose a user is migrated from one domain to another, it's a role of infrastructure master to update his group membership. These are the commands to verify FSMO. Net DOM query FSMO. So for primary domain controller, it has 5 FSMO roles, and for CDC, it has 3 FSMO roles. For IDC, it has 0 FSMO roles.